Good morning, Paris. Good morning to you. Good afternoon, good evening, and most of all, Debs that I like it for be good night when you cock up in your bed and I watch me down a yard. Yeah. It is another day, a day that we have never seen before, neither will we see it again. It's Wednesday. I think it's the 9th of October 2019. And big up to all of me October born right here on the Jamaican Debs train. There are quite a few of you, There are quite a few of us. So, say Sunday coming at my big day. So, all those who have had their birthday already, I know Diana and Andrina Shirley, both of them were on the 7th. I did wish them happy birthday differently, but happy birthday again, girls. And all of you, I want you to take the time, we are a family, me always talk about family. I can give them a shout out in the comments, in this comment section. Wish them happy belated. And there are a few of us more left over here. Some people want to get shout outs, but I'm going to get a sort of, get everybody's name together and just run like a list of people who would like to see their names running on the screen and wish them a happy birthday further down in the month. So, today's video is about me making my birthday cake. Yeah, your girl are going to make her own birthday cake. Because you know what happened? I'm not going anywhere. Me and Dad just come to a decision. We're not going nowhere. We're not going to celebrate. We wanted to do, but other things that we're going to be, we are going to deal with. And so I just said, okay, it's okay with me. Some other birthday, I can't go some other time. I can go enjoy myself. So I'm just going to be probably chilling at home. I'm not sure as it, but I know it's all about be chilling. So you know what? The first, I'm almost 54 years, I've never baked myself a cake for my birthday. Always I be a cake for people and all of them sitting there. But you know what happened? I just feel for bake myself a cake now. It must be a first in everything. So in the next clip, you're gonna see how I put my cake together. I'm gonna be baking myself a fruit cake. I'm gonna show you how me like my fruit cake and how I just deal with my little thing. I might not have everything I need here, but I think I almost have everything. I can improvise. So we are old timer. So you see me in the next clip. That's what this video is about. Baking myself a birthday cake or baking my birthday cake. Next clip. So Paris, this is where I'm at. I have my sugar in my bowl right here. I'm doing everything because so I not have no water, running water. So I'm just be using my bowl. I'm not gonna mess up anything. I mean, I have no water. I now fruit cake always a lot of things I have in here. And don't ask me about the measurements. I don't know. I'm just doing my thing. Just flat foot. Just free-handed. Yeah. So I am looking a cake for one of them original 9-inch pan. Dad grease it and line it for me. Yeah. Dad do that. You know if you do that over the years we've been together. So I want my cake to be in this. So, I have my little sugar in there and I have my butter. But I want to put in here some strawberry jam. I should have a little more sugar. But I kind of just draw my hand on the sugar because I want my strawberry jam for in it and so. So, what I'll be doing right here, I make sure I lock on my mixer. And I'm going to be starting my mixer. I'm going to be creaming my butter and my sugar. Alright, so I'll start that. And I'm just going to be starting it on the low because I just want them to take them time and come together. So that is what is going to be happening. And when my butter and my sugar is properly creamed, remember this is not a tutorial. I'm just sharing with you as I go along little clips of how I'll be baking my birthday cake and the finished product. So when you see me next, this should be finished. We're going to have my eggs and break and we're going to add it to it. And as we go along, we talk about, all those who have birthday this month and whose birthday don't gone already, what you plan on doing. I told you I'm just gonna be chilling. See you in the next clip. So okay now Paris, I have my butter and my sugar all cream and I have 6 eggs. You see how they look like game fall egg. And honestly I don't care if one at a time, but if one goes so and if two goes so. So I'm gonna put in my egg then. Yeah. And I'm still gonna do it on the low. So there's some of them now. And whilst that, you can easily drop 1, 2 at a time. It doesn't matter. But to me, it makes no difference. Yes, it does to me. But when you drop one at a time, if you say the first one, by the time you drop the rest, the first one get overbeaten. So, still be using the low, because we want it to go slow. So eggs in, and butter, sugar, all of that. So I'm gonna make my eggs them get incorporated with my butter and my sugar. And when you see me in the next clip, you're gonna see what I do. Baking my birthday cake right here on my 54th birthday on the Jamaican Debbie string. Catch you a little more, huh? Okay, now Paris, this is where I'm at. I have my eggs, I have my vanilla, and I have eggs, vanilla, my lime rind, my lime juice inside here, my butter, and my sugar. Alright, this is what I have inside here. Now, I don't like my fruits blended. Some people love them fruits blended, I don't. And I like my cake with lots and lots of fruit. These days, I'm not eating too much fruit cake, because guess what? I'm tired for make it. I make it to I'm just by making it so much, but just, you know. So I'm gonna put in my fruits in there, and also I want to put in some whole prunes, good type of prunes. I want to put in some whole prunes, and yeah, I want to say, Debbie, why put them in whole? Yeah, they are soft, they're nice, and yeah, of course, more good. Putting in a lot of them, they will bake, and then they bake. I'm gonna bake my cake in a slow oven, so they will just get soft. And when the rum and the wine over a period. Today is Wednesday, so I'll be wetting it half of today, tomorrow Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Wow, that red label wine, that rum, we just moosh through all of them whole fruits along with the other fruits. So this is where I'm at, and all of that right here. So I have my dry, I have my flour. I've got my flour. I've got all my dry spices in here. So I'm going to put it in a little at a time. And if you notice, I'm not add no whole heap of cleanup. Okay? So I'm going to be doing this. Remember, it's not a tutorial. I'm just share with you. And if you're here and you're wondering, Lord, Debbie, you can't show it. It's on my cooking channel. Just go there. So I'm folding in. And you know, me I put in the flour at different intervals. Cutting and folding. And yes, you can do all of this in your kitchen here mixing bowl. That's you in the next clip. Parry, I'm going to put in my flour and every little thing. I did put my salt in. So, see me here? This is how fruity. I'm probably more fruity too. I like it here. Now, I want to put in some strawberry jam. I want to put in some of my strawberry jam. Yep. Ooh. The strawberry jam is gonna give it a flavor where, you know, so I'm gonna make sure. So you know, this is, notice me upon the cutting and the folding, cutting and folding. So I'm gonna put in some, wow, some browning now. I don't measure. You all know that me no measure, especially when it comes to fruit cake. If me have to measure, me I go crazy. Been doing this too long, so me I fold in this, my browning I come. So remember, you know, your KitchenAid mixing bowl. Make sure you have a plastic spoon, or maybe if you want to use your wooden spoon, but the stainless steel spoon will do the trick. Make sure you know. You're doing it right. So I'm going to finish folding my jam and my something. Look at me. You see me have my right consistency. I don't want it any thinner, any thicker. I don't want to work for flour. I want my thing for just bake and slow. So when it's ready, it's just soft and nice. I don't put white rum. I don't put red label here. That will bake out in the oven. I'm going to lose all of the flavor. Everybody just going to smell the white rum and wow, the cake smell nice, and then all of the flavor gone. I save my rum and my wine for when my cake is out of the oven. See you in the next clip. So Paris, this is it. I don't want to make it any darker, because as it goes in the oven and when it bakes, it gets darker, and then I'll be using the wine and the rum to thing. So make we see how accurate me did be now. You saw me, and this is okay because it has to get space for rice. That is okay. I will not be using the oven in my kitchen. I'll be using the oven in my 5-star kitchen. So because that oven is a sweet baking oven, this is a crisis. So guess what? Hear that laugh? You know we always do this. But look here, when kids do this, comment. But you not to make them eat too much of it. Remember, it needs to be cooked. You know you can do a little of this. It is the best thing. That strawberry jam to die for. So when you see me again, this cake should be ready. My birthday cake right here on the Jamaican Debbie Deb Street. Catch you in the next clip. So Pari, it has been quite a few hours. Change our clothes and everything, but my cake is ready. My cake is out. Giving you a little feel of the texture. I haven't wet it as yet, but this is the bottom of my pan, and I did not line the sides. You know, had I lined the sides, but that is good. This is a normal regular cake pan. After you bake, that's how you regularly your cake thing looks. So I have it right here. Remember I told you that when it go in the oven, you know, it will get darker, the browning, as the heat takes it. So I'm using my half and half rum, white rum, that is white overproof Jamaican rum and red label wine that I use. So what I normally do, I normally run it along the side of the edges like this. Remember, it's not a tutorial. I think I've said that about 3 to 4 times in this video, because I know people going to say, Miss Debbie, this, that, or you know, leave this. And this is the cooking channel. If you notice, this is the first time I'm wetting this. It's 90, I would say 90% cool. I started giving it just a little bit when it came down, but I had to leave, so I wasn't, you know, wasn't in. So you can see how it's taking this, and you know what this do to it. So I'm just showing you. I might put on some icing, I'm not sure. I don't think I'll do a video for the icing, I'm not sure. I don't think so, but I won't. I'll be wetting it day by day to get that, make it have that cureness. I want the real deal fruit cake for my birthday, for the first in my life, you know. So I hope you have enjoyed baking my birthday cake with me. If you did, please give me a big fat thumbs up for this video. Remember to leave your comments below, and make sure you're subscribed to the Jamaican Debbie Deb Stream. What are you waiting for? We're almost at 10,000 subs. We'll be having a little giveaway. You might never know. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for your support. And the rain wash away Jamaica today again. Wash away, wash away. Still no water in our pipes. But you know what happened? God is good. Because I had to go out on the road. I had to run out after I baked the cake. And when I left here, the sun was blazing. And in a matter of about 1.5 hours, the whole place was flooded. Tell me about the beauty of my God. So this is my finished cake, and I hope you have enjoyed it, as you say. But open it there with me for eat some, you know, forgive me, I'm going to slice. I might put on some this, we don't use frosting and these, we use royal icing. This cake is as a body. This is not like a sponge cake or just a little light, like, you know, pack cake mix and stuff. This is a cake that is filled with body. So when me I go to know at daytime, I just go wet it little by little, and that alcohol will just go right through it, and you just take it. I like my cake fruity and more like on the pudding side. I don't like my cake cakey and not and fried fruits blended. To each of us is our own. Nothing is wrong. So I hope you have enjoyed it. I know you will, and you leave your comments below. So this is my finished cake. Hope you have liked it. Remember to give me a fat thumbs up, and I think you might see me eating it. So it doesn't matter what we do right on over here. Never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Steer on top of things.